Hello everyone, it's Ali Imran Sheikh back with another video. In this one, we'll discuss about some sentences that may enhance your English spoken capability. For simplicity and learning, I have divided them into three categories. Number one, small daily conversations. Hi there, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, how about you? What do you do for your work? Have you ever been to the new cafe that opened downtown? Any fun plans for the weekend? Did you watch the latest episode of the popular TV show? No, I haven't. I have to create my own video for my beloved audience. Have you been on any trips recently? Do you have any pets? What's your favorite kind of food? Have you read any interesting books lately? Have you seen any good movies recently? What do you like to do outside? Do you follow any sports? Have you ever been to any cool places around here? Do you enjoy cooking or trying new recipes? What's the best concert or live show you have ever been to? Do you have any hobbies or special interests? Have you ever been to any fun events or festivals recently? Are you more of a morning person or a night person? How do you like to relax after a long day? Now, category number two, greetings. Hi, how are you today? Hey there, how is it going? Hello, how have you been? Hi, how is your day treating you? Hey, what's up? Hey there, how are things going? Hello, how have you been lately? Hi, how are you holding up? Hey there, how is everything with you? Hi, how is everything going at your end? Hey there, how is the world treating you? Hello, how is everything at your corner of the world? Hi, how is your day unfolding? Category number three, directions. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest post office? Hi, do you know the way to the nearest supermarket from here? Sorry bothering you, but could you please give me the directions to the closest park? Can you help me find the way to the nearest bus stop? I am looking for the nearest pharmacy. Can you point me in the right direction? Excuse me, do you know how to get to the library from here? I am a bit lost. Can you guide me to the nearest gas station? I am trying to find my way to the movie theater. Could you show me which way to go? Could you please direct me to the nearest ATM? Can you tell me how to get to the nearest hospital? I am looking for a restaurant. Can you help me with directions? Do you know the way to the nearest train station from here? I am trying to find my way to a shopping mall. Could you please give me some directions? Sorry to interrupt, but I am looking for a nearest bank. Could you point me in the right direction? Please help me find the way to the nearest police station. Can you show me the way to the coffee shop? I am looking for a hotel. Can you tell me which way to go? Can you tell me how to get to the museum from here? Alright, that's it. I hope this video will gonna serve the purpose for many. So till the next time, it's Allah Hafiz.